Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. That's right, I am back here again at Superior Auto Sale to show you some of the other cars that they have here. That one of them, actually, I think you guys will like. I did film it briefly, but I thought it was somebody that worked here. But nope, it is up for sale. But first and foremost, I please want you to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell for notification, give it a big fat thumbs up, leave a comment down below. And their website, if you see something that you like, it is sascars.com. So for now, I'm going to take you inside and show you what they got. This Cadillac right here, I showed you guys this briefly, and I fell in love with this car. I mean, you can tell it's a custom paint job, custom rims. I don't know what's underneath the hood, but this car, I'm definitely in love with it. Do a nice good walk around on it. I got a couple of new ones here too. I know the lighting's not that good because it's a little dark in here. This car is so nice. And the year of it is a 1962. Got little side skirts on it. And there's their website. Dual exhaust on it. The top's in beautiful shape. I mean, I'm sure it's probably been replaced because it's really, really nice. The chromed all in gorgeous shape. There's the big door. Show you guys the inside of it real quick. I mean, you can fit 6 people in this car. It's that big. And mileage wise, 22,381. And what this little thing is, I have no idea. It's on the dashboard. If you guys know, leave a comment down below, because there are some things when it comes to cars I am unsure of what they are. But this car is gorgeous. Aftermarket radio, speakers. I think this is the ashtray. Yeah, the ashtray. Yeah, this car is really nice, and it's comfortable too. All leather interior, big steering wheel. This is a big car, big car. There's another Cadillac right in front of you. That one, been here a little bit. They finally sold that big black truck, that big lifted one, the custom one. That one, I think they said went to Texas or something like that. But even when you shut the door, listen to that. That's a nice solid car. That's a solid door, and that's a heavy door too. But you guys have seen this Cadillac. The Grand National, this is sold. But this Cadillac, I mean, it's a little bit of a different year. Another convertible. This car would look really nice, you know, done custom. But I have filmed this one before, you know. But I know they have 2 goodies here. One just came in. I don't know if it's still in the delivery area. They got this orange Mustang in too. This one's kind of nice. A nice convertible, but they're doing a little bit of work to it. And what I wanted to show, oh yeah, here's one of them. Sorry if there's a little bit of a wind noise, but this Mustang just came in. And it is, yeah, 2017 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. Take a nice walk around it. Nice Embro disc brakes. Actually, you want to pop the hood on it? I want to get a shot of that real quick, because I'm sure everyone's going to want to. Yeah, a little bit. That helps. And GT 350. Dang. Come on.
Left on that. Yep.
Yeah, to pull it over. There you go. Nice. And this car is super clean too. Nice and clean. Take a quick look at the interior. It's a nice car. GT 350. These are nice seats. Almost like Recaro's. If I can squeeze in here. Oh. Yeah, look at that. There you go. Lights right up on there. GT 350. This is a nice car. This is the kind of car that'll get you in trouble real fast. But it is the true GT 350. I've seen guys take them and clone them. But this car is nice and comfortable. Nice comfortable seats. The seats just hug you. But they do have a Camaro here that is a Roush edition. And somebody took off all the badging for some reason. All you, man. Thanks. In the work area. That's old. It's seen better days. This is really, really old. You're gonna hear some noises inside the shop. You'll hear the compressor and noises of people working. A little dirty from sitting in here. It's in the detail shop, but they're gonna polish it out. Yeah, for some reason, somebody took all the badging off of it. Why, we don't know, but somebody didn't want anybody to know what they had. I'm squeezing around here real quick. And what year? 2018. Take a quick look at the interior. That wing is kind of cool. Two-tone leather interior. It's an SS package, but it's a Roush edition. Oh, that's really nice. Right in here, I don't know if you can see it or not, it lights up that strip. That is really nice. This is a comfortable car too. Yeah, this is nice. I don't know how many miles are on it, but I definitely want to look underneath the hood. They're doing some touch-up work on it. So give me a second here. Oh, come on. I'm going to set you guys down there for a second. I can get it open. No, hold on. Oh, I got it. There we go. I had to feel for it. I got it. But it does have documentation that it is a Roush edition. But it is nice. And I'm sure this one's going to go up for sale too. It's an Audi twin turbo. This one's in the detail area too. I don't know what the year is. I don't know what they're going to ask for it, but hopefully I won't set off an alarm or something. Oh yeah, stick shift. It said nice. Alright, take a walk outside. Alright guys, you've seen what they have. If you see anything you like, hit them up or leave a comment down below on my channel. You guys know how to find me. The cars go at Superior Auto Sales, sascars.com. So please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, leave a comment down below, share, and leave a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, I'll see you guys on the next one.